Tim and Fuzz have taken on a 1986 Rover SD1, a classy, futuristic fastback that never quite fulfilled its potential.
They were known for being that car you'd just chill. You wouldn't care whether you were in the front or the back. You'd just want to be in a Rover. Come and have a peek. It is like going back in time. It's an excellent place to be. Listen to that. That noise you're hearing there is just shifting from air vents in front of your face to your feet.
Yeah, but it tells you that it's working.
Don't wake the kids up. That is ridiculous. Right, what can we do without the key?
Well, not a lot of it.
I'll get started with the key ASAP.
OK, cool. Well, I'll get started on all the mechanical stuff and getting it stripped down, ready for the body.
Come on, let's get on with it. Let's get that door off so I can get the key sorted.
So the SD1 is a bit of a mixed bag of big jobs and ginormous jobs. Copious amounts of rust being the biggest one on the list, with nearly every single external panel needing work, or in some cases replacing completely. Then there's the fiddlier business of that straight-six engine. A blown head gasket apparently took the car off the road. But will it be as simple a fix as that? Or is that infamous bad British Leyland build quality at play? Next is the car's once smart interior that will need a total refresh, including the cracked and peeling wood veneer, which will need stripping out and smartening up.